So I'm driving down the road. I've got my cruise control set at 65 miles an hour, which is the speed limit, and I've had this semi truck behind me. He's been driving behind me for a while, didn't realize there was any sort of problem, and all of a sudden he starts to pass me, and he starts blowing his air horn, and this is what happened.
I got a semi truck
I'm
that.
loving,
Good.
I'm loving this stand they got set up out here. They put up a big stand, a podium, with a big umbrella over it, and it's got, the Chick-fil-A emblem on the front of the podium. And they got the girl standing behind there, and she's the one doing all the cash and receipts and everything, as they've already done everything else. So,
What the fuck's this guy doing?
I don't know, but I heard it.
That's a semi truck. He's passing me, and he's honking his horn. I don't know why he's passing me because. Whoa, whoa, dude! What the fuck you doing? He just came over and almost fucking hit me.
Well, he's
If you notice real quick there was a Mustang that this truck almost actually collided with when he was trying to pass me. I don't know why he couldn't pass me faster, what the deal was, why he thinks that I needed to slow down so that he could illegally go faster than me. But it's people like this that make driving such a hazard.